สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับทุกคน Hello everyone Welcome to our page Sawasdee Chao นะครับยินดีต้อนรับที่มาดูในเพจนะครับวันนี้นะครับจะดู unboxing I will do the unboxing of it was packed like this so I don't know what's inside look at this it smells bad also okay so I'm gonna do the unboxing of the latest plant that I have. Okay, so by the way, if you are interested to check out some of the rare plants that we have, you can please like and follow our page. Our page is Sawasdee Chao, Thailand Food and Plants, and yeah, you will be able to see a lot of rare plants, our collections. Okay, so now we will do the unboxing of our new plants. Let's do it! Okay. I actually don't know what's inside this. It's gonna be dirty. Why do they have to put something like this? It's not good. Yeah. Messy. So here it is. Okay, so we will open this. Ta-dang. Book. Ta-dang. Do you know what's inside? It's a philodendron. It's a small one. Yeah, found it. Sorry. Can you just grab it? Grab it out. This. Hey. So this is the plant that we will add on our collection. Oh, it fell. That's it. So a small, it is a philodendron fiddle lime, variegated jungle. Oh no, golden dragon variegated. So you can closer look at it. Okay. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Again, if you are interested to watch out for more of our rare plants, please like our page, follow also Sawasdee Chao. It's SAWASDEE space CHAO. And that's it. ขอบคุณมากนะครับทุกคนที่มาดูวันนี้นะครับเดี๋ยววันนี้มีแค่นี้นะครับแล้วก็ถ้าอยากเห็นตอนใหม่ที่คอลเลกชันของเรานะครับติดตามเพจของเราเลยนะครับ Sawasdee Chao นะครับเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะครับขอบคุณมากนะครับทุกคนสวัสดีครับ